So hello everybody, and here's some clay. I am making clay again this year. It's coming along nicely. This stuff is ready to be taken out of its bags. Let's see if this one is. Oh, that one's still a little too soft and wet on the top. So we're going to let that one sit. That one will come out and put it into a nice ball and all that. Working on my bench out here outside. But show you what else I got going on here. I got that guy is ready to pour into a pillowcase. Yes, I remember words. Anyway, as you can see, the water has settled pretty good in there, and you can see down about 6 inches almost, I'd say. And the clay has settled, so I will pour off the top of that water and pour it all into one of those squash that's on that dirt hill after I clean it up. This guy. Let's see if I can. Oh, that one's ready. That one's ready. It's nice and that goes way down. How's this one doing? Okay, yeah. That one looks ready too. So those guys should be ready. The one on the end here, I know is not ready because it was the last thing I did the other day. Even though it's settled and looks like the same as the other ones, I know for a fact that the dirt that's in there has not been separated from the rocks and stuff properly yet. It's going to take another nice warm day for me to do it. I've mentioned this before. This is the best tool in the world for a number of reasons. Egg beater paint thing. It's great for mixing up that there clay. Anyway, that's where I'm at with the clay project this year, and we will leave it at that. What I'm making the clay for, when I get a good enough ball, is I'm going to remove that from the lawnmower. I'm going to build a different kind of chute out of clay. It's going to be a big mold of what I want, and it'll basically won't go out as far. It's going to turn and shoot the grass into an attachable pipe, and the pipe will come back to the sitting on top of there will be that rock there, and that will receive the grass, and those containers that are sitting upside down over there are what will get filled with grass. So I'll be able to mow the lawn and use the clippings to just fill in mulch on top of my gardens and stuff. So once I have the clay made and enough of it to form what I want to form, then I'm going to wrap it in cellophane, or just paper or plastic wrap, whatever, cheap, and then fiberglass over that, and I'll make a really nice fiberglass shell of the clay, and then when that's dry and good, scoop the clay back out, scoop, and then it will be able to be attached to that spot, hold the thing, and I will have the item I want. They don't make them. Well, they might make them, but for this one's a Craftsman, and that's not that's not. And so instead of trying to figure out different sizes and everything, I'm just going to make my own out of one size stuff that matches that hole. Anyway, that's the story of the clave effort. And I thank you for listening. If you have any other ideas, thoughts, comments, I'm always interested in hearing them. More flowers, stuff going on there. The little trees over there. I think I'll do a quick update on that next. Anyway, that's the clay. Yes, thank you for listening. Tell all your friends, tell your neighbors, tell complete strangers in grocery lines. Instead of looking at the tabloid news about Trump and Biden and all that crap going on in the government, talk about clay. It's much better, more interesting, I think. Anyway, goodbye.